Hi, Doug here with my friend Rick Davis. Davis Can Help. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Rick, a lot of people are talking about investment real estate. Can we help them?
Absolutely. We can help them in many ways, depending on which, for themselves or for resale.
Now, are the rules different relative to purchasing investment real estate than just a single family home that you're going to live in?
Yeah, it's a little different financing. It's a different program, but depending on what you're going to do with the product, yes, there's money available. 1 to 4 family can be treated just like a regular purchase of a home loan.
Oh, interesting. So there's different kinds of investment real estate. We can guide people into some choice that they have if they want to do that.
One example would be a grocery store underneath it, and your apartment's on the 2nd floor, and you buy the building. Well, that can't go to regular lending, but there is lending for it to go to.
And do we have the capability?
Mixed use property.
Okay, so we have the capability of doing that kind of lending.
The truth is, try to know everything and then use what applies to the client.
You got to have a trusted advisor, folks. Davis Can Help. Subscribe to us on the YouTube channel. We'll see you then.